Hi guys, if you ever want to make a Lego gun, I am making a Lego sniper. So you need a pistol like this, and you need does not matter what color you need, but you just need these pieces to make the sniper. So you need this lightsaber handle and I don't know what this is called, but like this piece. So you get the gun, and at the end of the lightsaber, at the bottom, like right here, you put the barrel of the gun into there, and then you use this piece to go right there. And that's how you make a Lego sniper. And make sure to subscribe and ring that bell.